Hello and welcome to Mint. This is Malvika Joshi, and joining us in this edition of From the Newsroom is PR Sanjai. Reliance Infrastructure is planning to offload its 11 road projects, and Sanjay will tell us more about the company's plans. Hi Sanjay. So can you tell us what is the reason why Reliance Infra is planning to offload its assets right now?
It is not just Reliance Industries, Reliance Infrastructure planning to divest or sell off, either an exit from completely, or looking for investment from private equity or other institutions. It is at least 40 to 50 odd road projects are on the block, and this comes at the right time. Where many of the developers want to exit at this, whether whether if they're getting right valuation, they will have to redeploy that money into their other projects. And like economy is slowing, and rupee depreciation is also affecting. And most of the projects which have projected certain traffic, which is not happening thanks to slowing down of economy. So most of the road developers are trying to get it out of this road projects, and they want to reduce the debt from their balance sheet, and they want to redeploy this money into other meaningful process, and they don't want to wait for the 50 to 20 odd years to get the right kind of return.
Sure. But Sanjay, tell us, given the fact that there are so many sellers out there in the market, and of course, the developers who are looking to exit, they have not been able to generate the kind of returns that they had expected. So do you think that this is a sort of a buyer's market or a seller's market? Do you think it is a good time to offload assets?
Not really. You're right. This is actually a buyer's market. They have ample opportunities. There are a lot of road projects they up for the arms. So the problem here, here what they are looking is, so if I'm waiting for like 15, 20 odd years to get that annuity returns, the regularized returns, then I have to take all this debt. There's a cash flow issues right now, and there are a lot of other issues, external issues like land acquisition, clearances. And if you could see, like GMR and GVK had walked out from their prestigious road projects, and of course now government may or may not do a premium rescheduling for these companies. So it is better to exit if you are getting a decent valuation. So to answer to your question, this is not the right time, because you may not be getting the valuation that you would want to, but it is good, there's a right strategy where they can, if you are an EPC player, engineering and procurement and construction player, and if you want to focus on other aspects, it is better to exit from your road projects and redeploy the money into a different other meaningful projects where you get assured returns, or you are happy with that.
Sure. Reliance Infrastructure has about 11 road projects, out of which 9 are operational. We'll have to see if Reliance Infra is able to offload these assets at a decent valuation. For more updates, log on to livemint.com.